Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify about vintage clothing and accessories, business easy and quick. So first type Shopify in the search. Now let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their product. So first of all, here enter your email address and start free trial. Here you can skip all this if you want. I'm gonna skip this and let's continue. And now wait a few seconds to build this store. The first thing you have to do, you go to the online store and go to the themes where you can change them if you want and customize them on your home page. So you can select any theme you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Now wait a few seconds to install the theme, and after this publish it and customize it on your home page store. So now go here and click here publish, and now you can customize it. So now it will take you to your store homepage. So here you find the style of your homepage. You can change it. You can make it like a desktop style or like a mobile style or like a full screen style. So I'm gonna just keep it like this, like a desktop style. So here we find the header. The first section is the header, the announcement bar. You can change the color scheme. You can also show separator line. You can show icons on desktop. You can turn this on, auto change announcements. Also you can enable country and region selector. You can enable language selector. Now let's get back and let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text if you want. You can pass the link or search for something. For example, I'm gonna select the all collections. Now let's get back and let's move on to the header section. Here you can change the desktop logo position. You can change the main menu. You can change it or remove it if you want. Also you can manage the desktop menu type. You can manage the sticky header. You can also turn this on, show separator line. You can manage the color scheme or the menu color scheme. So that's it. Here you can enable country and region selector and also enable language selector. You can manage the mobile logo position. You can edit the spacing and the section padding. Now let's move on to the theme settings. Here also you can edit the theme settings. You can add your social media links. Here you can put your links, your Twitter link or your Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want. So that's it. Now let's move on to the logo. Here you can select your logo from your library. You have to select it from your library. So for example, let's search on it on the browser, vintage clothing logo idea. So this is just for example. You have to upload it from your own library. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. So this is your logo right now. You can edit it at any time. You can change it, you can remove it as you like. So that's it. Here you can edit the desktop logo width, and that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the slideshow section. Here you can manage the layout. You can also manage the slide height. You can manage the pagination style. You can turn this on to rotate slides. You can manage the animations. Also you can manage this. You can show content below image on mobile. Here you can manage the accessibility. So that's it. Now let's move on to the slide. You can so for example you can select image from browser or from your library. So for example, let's search on this on the browser. So for example, I'm gonna choose this. Here you can generate the text on the heading, vintage clothing. You can edit the heading size. Also you can generate the subheading. So that's it. Here you can here just describe what this text is about and generate, and this will be here. You can choose from the suggestions. Here you can use outline button style. You can change the button link. So that's it. Now let's get back. Let's move on to the featured collection. Here also you can edit the featured collection. You can generate the text. Just describe what this text is about. Also here you can manage the heading size. You can generate the text on the description, and also here you can edit the form or the shape of the text. I can show collection description from the admin. Also you can change the description style. You can change the collection or remove it. You can make products full width. Also you can enable view all if collection has more products than shown. You can enable carousel on desktop. So that's it. Here you can show second image on hover. You can also show vendor. You can show product rating. You can enable swipe on mobile. So that's it. Now let's get back. Now the last section on the website, the footer section, you can edit the email sign up. You can edit the color scheme. Also you can make section full width. You can edit the section padding. So that's it. If you want to add something new, click here and select what kind of section you want to add, like image with the text or image banner or slideshow. So that's it. Now after you're done from design your website, click save, and this gets back to the home page, to the dashboard, where you can name your store in the next step. After you customizing your online store, and after you add your sharing details, after you add the custom domain, now name your store. So here type any name you want. Here you can add your store phone. You can change your store email. So that's it. Now let's save this. Now after you after you're done from customizing your online store, after you add your first products and import your products, now the next step is launch your online store. You can pick a plane. So here you can pick a plane if you want. You can disactive trial or choose a plane. So you can remove your store password. Also here you can add a custom domain. You can add a domain. So that's it. Now after you're done from this, the next step, the last step, is launch your online store and publish it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.